Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Fursat Gyan. Today in this video we will talk about what is automation, what is RPA and their benefits. First we will talk about automation. Automation is made up of two words, automatic plus machine. Now first we will understand what is automatic. Automatic means without human involvement. Let's take one very basic example. Now two types of car available in market. Automatic gear and manual gear. In automatic gear, if you drive fast, the gear automatically goes on 4. If you drive slowly, then gear will be on 1. But in manual gear, you need to change the gear as you want to increase or decrease the speed. So here you can see in automatic gear, there is no human involvement to change gear from 4 to 1 or 2 to 4. So with this example, you can understand what is automatic. Now, machine. Machine can be anything which reduces human effort. Now, let's take an example. If you ride cycle for 20 km and bike for 20 km, now with whom will reach faster? Bike or cycle? Obviously bike. With this you have saved time, you reach fast and there is less manual effort. So here you can see we reduce the human effort. So now we understand what is automatic and what is machine. Let's simplify the definition of automation. We can say automation is a technology by which process the task with minimum human involvement or effort. Guys, after watching this video completely, you guys are going to learn a lot of things and you can make your own idea to automate the stuff around you. Just be with me till the end. Now, what exactly is RPA or Robotic Process Automation? RPA is the process of automating business operation with the help of robots to reduce human intervention. I am not talking about physical robot, I am talking about software bots. RPA can either just follow the rules defined by user or can use machine learning capabilities to suggest user with recommendations and generate meaningful results. RPA has 4 crucial phases. We will understand them by taking an example. First step is planning phase. Consider a scenario where you have to read hundreds of invoices and extract the data from those invoices to store that data into a specific cells of Excel file and mail that Excel to a concerned person. Next step is development phase. Our first step is to locate all the invoices to be processed in a single folder, so that the bot design can easily access it. Then you can define the actions of bot to read the file from folder one after the other until all the files are read. Now once bot start opening the files, it has to extract specific data values and store it into an Excel file. To store it into an Excel, you need to define some rules. To define rules, you can mention the starting cell name. For example, A1 automatically iterate a loop to store the next extracted value of same invoices, the same row but the next column. Once all the data has been stored for a single file, then you have to define the rules for your bot in such a way that it iterates for the next file. And that's how you can design the process of automation, but the life cycle of RPA doesn't end here. Once business requirements are analyzed and bot is developed to do specific tasks, the next step is running the testing cycles to analyze the quality and correct defects in the automation workflow simultaneously. After this, the bot enters the maintenance phase in which it provides continuous support and help and immediate defect resolution. This is how RPA works. To meet the objective of RPA, tools are used. These RPA tools are software applications that configure tasks and automate them. Those tool names are UiPath, Automation Anywhere, Blueprism, WorkFusion, Pega, Redwood. But the most popular tools are UiPath, Automation Anywhere, and Blueprism because of their user interface, vendor experience, and maintenance and support. Automation has proven to deliver real benefits like faster service, processing time reduced from days to minutes, improved quality, from spot checking to 100% quality control through greater traceability, increased saving and productivity, labor savings of 20% or more, increased flexibility and scalability, ability to operate 24/7 and scale up or down with demand, distinctive insights, hundreds of new factors to predict and improve drivers of performance. RPA practically eliminates error, increase productivity, and allow for better monitoring. Now we are talking about cost. Google has applied artificial intelligence from its DeepMind machine learning to its own data centers, cutting the amount of energy they use by 40%. According to NASSCOM, domestic business can reduce the cost by 65% through RPA. It offers higher return of investment or ROI by driving positive returns within quarter. Now the adoption of RPA by corporate function. Here you can see the complete graph. The highest is corporate information technology systems, 50%. The lowest is supply chain logistics, 13%. Second highest in finance accounting, 35%. The next is operations and production, customer service, human resources, manufacturing, engineering and design, product development, education, procurement, sales. So this is a complete stats which is given by the Gartner. So these corporate functions are readily deploy RPA. Automation has a great potential to create value, but only for the industry that carefully design and execute it. Treating automation as a technology-led effort can doom a program to failure. Technologies plus techniques gives optimal value. I am saying these lines and I will explain you why I am saying in my next video, which is going to be very interesting. Now, few of the people thought if all this happens via RPA, then it can take our jobs. So don't be scared of, as Gartner Research Director Manjunath Bhatt states, robots are not here to take away our jobs. They are here to give us a promotion. So don't be scared of. Now I'm taking a leave and we will meet in our next video with some interesting stuffs. So thank you so much to see complete video on automation and RPA. Hope you like this video and subscribe our channel to support us. Thank you so much guys.